I recently just went to a secondhand store and thrifted this flower and then remembered that Dollar General, this flower was from Dollar General. Not sure if it was last year or the year before, but I have made these over. So that then inspired me to take off to my local Dollar General and see what treasures they had to share with you of how to make them over and definitely make them look a lot more high end. I absolutely love the butterfly. I recently just did 2 butterflies in a makeover, and I wish that they'd had more, but I can tell you I'll be on the lookout of stopping at Donald General's for more butterflies. And these little bugs are so super cute. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Yvonne and you are on Ginger Chick Rehab, where I love to take secondhand finds and make them over and share the process with you all of how I give them new life. But in today's video, I'm actually doing a Dollar General. I recently thrifted an item that was from Dollar General and it inspired me to go look to see what items in Dollar General that I could find to make over and make into beautiful outdoor decor. Now I have actually made this one over before by painting it, by adding decoupage paper. It is nice because you can actually take it apart, which makes it so much easier to transform into something new. As you see, you just pull those tabs and you can have 3 different parts. Nope, the little center part does not come off. So I'm going to start off by getting my item prepped. So I'm just using some Dawn dish soap, some hot water, and I'm just getting all the surfaces wiped down, getting anything that might prevent my paint from sticking off. Now today's process is pretty much going to be the same on each one of these items. So I'm just going to show you my prep on each one of these items as we go along. So on these little bugs, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the tag. And even though they were new purchase goods, they still will probably have a factory residue on there that might prevent your paint from sticking. So you just want to do the same thing of getting them wiped down and cleaned off. Now this butterfly has some marbles in it, so I'm going to go ahead and get those 3 marbles removed, and then I'll reattach them after we're done with the painting process. So to get my paint to adhere properly, I want to give these a base coat of a primer. So I actually went for the Rust-Oleum's primer in the rust color. We're going with the outdoor theme here of a rusty crusty, so I thought this was perfect to do the underneath color. After getting both sides sprayed up, one side is going to just stay that rust color. It's perfectly fine, but the other side is going to get a couple coats of the iron patina paint from Dixie Belle. I have just recently done another video on this, and I thought, oh my gosh, this just transforms an item like you will not believe. So I'm actually testing out another spray here today, so it's not just going to be the same as the last video. Every item will rust differently, and sharing with you how to make over dollar items from the Dollar General store. Wow. Now the flower, I think they're like $5 or something if you get it new. But oh my gosh, most of these items were just $1 at the Dollar General store. do like using the pouncers for the rust treatment because it gives it that texture, the rust texture. You could use a brush, but you might have the brush strokes. So I really like to do that pouncing technique, but some of those little critters areas, I needed to use a smaller brush to get it in there. And of course, you know, being in the Dollar General store, one of the butterflies' gems, the little plastic gems, was missing. But I'm like, I'm going to be painting over it anyway. And I don't even think you'll notice when we are all done. Each one of the items now has 2 coats of the iron paint covering the surface area. And now I'm just going to go back in with the green Patina spray and mist these. Now you can change out your mister bottle. Somebody suggested I do that I don't get so much liquid on there. I'm going to be doing that probably the next time. Maybe in the near future I'll remember to get another spray bottle. But I'm also going to be using a little bit of the blue Patina paint on some of the items today to see how it transforms and changes them. So I'm going to go one right on top of the other and then watch the magic happen. So not every single one of them, I don't believe I'm going to add all the blue and the green too. Everybody's going to get the green and just a few will get the blue. I just really want to see the difference of how each item transforms. I cannot believe the transformation right in front of my eyes, how it just starts to just bring out that rusty crustiness, how the blue starts to bring out that beautiful aqua, turquoise patina. Oh, y'all. So this is probably an hour into it. I might have got too much on this. So the Mr. Bottle is a great suggestion. But oh my gosh, yes, I did half the bugs with a little bit of the blue patina. Also, oh my goodness, just watching them as it dries. It probably takes a couple hours for it to completely dry and set up, but you can just see it just doing its magic, and I can't stop watching it. Look at that rusty goodness. Now, when they're finally dry, I do let them sit completely overnight, and I want to seal these in. I'm going to be using the Weather Defense just in one coat, and I know it kind of scares you at first when you spray it on because it seems like it's changing that patina, but once it dries, it takes like 15 minutes for it to dry. It brings it back out. It dries clear, but oh my gosh, all these patinas are just absolutely gorgeous. Then me personally, I like to go back in with a little bit of the Jolie black wax, and what this is going to do is I'm just going to just gently touch the edges where there's some detail pieces, and it's really going to bring those details back out. It's just not going to make it look like it was a painted item, and it really just ties this patina all together with this object. And as I said, each individual object, for whatever reason, just rusted with the patina just a little bit differently than the next. Oh my goodness, yes, y'all. I have tried all the different techniques of making things rusty crusty, and that patina has my heart because watching that process is amazing. Transforming these cheap metal items from the Dollar General store and making them into amazing rusty crusty decors. Oh my gosh, my house outside will look wonderful. Of course, I made items to resell. They are just fabulous. What did you think of those little bugs? Oh my goodness. So yes, you'll probably see a lot more of this on my channel because I love testing it all out. So thanks again for watching today's video, and as always, if you're part of our YouTube family, thank you so much. And if you are new and you are checking out my channel for the first time and you liked what you saw, please hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so you know we've uploaded a new video. And we will see you next time, guys, and you can see what we're up to. Bye!